How to remove players from Kahoot challenge. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can remove players from Kahoot challenge. Now, for you to be able to remove players from Kahoot challenge, the first thing you must notice is that you have to have the Kahoot app installed on your mobile device. Then go ahead and open it up. And then the next thing for you to do is that you have to note that your account is a teaching account. All right. To note if your account is a teaching account, the first thing to do is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you see your profile icon. Click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll be directed to the profiles page. On this page, by the top right corner, you would see the settings icon. Click on it. Then once you click on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Select profile settings and then wait for it to load. Once that's loaded, you'll be taken to the settings page. Just scroll down and then you'll see account details, and then under account details you'll see account type. All right, and then just click on it and ensure you are on the teachers page. Okay, and then once you've ensured this, leave the page and then join a challenge. All right, once you've joined a challenge, your challenge will be displayed here. Okay, you can either join a challenge or create a challenge since you're using the teacher's account. So once you've created a challenge, your challenge will be displayed on the screen. Just click on the challenge, and then once you click on the challenges page, by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three dots. Click on the three dots. Then once you click on the three dots, a drop down menu will appear. A drop down menu, select remove players. So once you select remove players, you'll be taken to a page where all of the players will be displayed. Then select the players you want to remove, click confirm, and the players will be removed automatically. It is that simple. I cannot show you practically here because I have not created any challenge and I am not in any challenge at the moment. But for you to want to do this, you will be on a challenge or you'd have created a challenge already. So just follow these procedures and you'll be able to remove players the way you want. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.